Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Again, I don't know what's in here, so we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Whatever this is, if it's available, I will, as per usual, link it in the description so that you guys can go take a look. That's the best. Yeah, I think I'm just going to come down this side. There we go. That makes sense, right? It's professional. Oh, good. Oh, okay, I've cut into a side where it's totally glued to itself. Maybe I should sharpen this. Okay, here we go. We have this, which, hold on, let me look and make sure there's nothing. Okay, so we're going to cut this open real quick. And we, we have a box. Okay, and inside, oh boy, oh God. Oh, this is a new Direware. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a note. Okay. Okay, hang on just a second. All right, dear MC, please feel free to carry. Are you serious? Feel free to carry, use, disassemble. Okay, cool, man. That's awesome. I absolutely will. I did not expect them to say that. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Thanks for being a great resource for the community, Jason. Oh yeah, for sure, man. Very cool. Thank you very much, Jason. That's very kind of you. And then we have information here, or this is, okay. So, okay, good. So we have pricing and everything like that. So this is a Direware Custom S96 flipper, 3.375-inch model and CBM 20 CV. We have a satin/blasted camo drop point blade, carbon fiber and camo titanium handles, and copper accents. Yeah, these are custom knives. So if you don't know, this is an $800 knife. Yeah, Direwares have been around for a while. They've been selling for a while, right? You don't generally find these in stock. Once they drop, they're generally gone. I'll tell you this right now. I've handled it. This is the second time I've handled a Direware, and I got to tell you, the way that these look like such monstrous, like almost like a folding killer whale, right? That's what this looks like. You would think that it would be sluggish and clunky, right? Like you would think that it would feel like a Medford. No, it's very almost ZT-esque. Think of those of you who have a ZT 0562. I love the flipping action in the 0562. Very clicky, very crisp. In fact, a lot of how I judge the action on a lot of knives, over the years, is really, it evolved from my initial, the whole wonder and awe that I got from the 0562 the first time I flipped it. These Direwares really have that snappy sort of click, really impressive. Actually, I wasn't sure that I wanted a Direware until left-handed reverse flick off the thumb stud. Just wanted to see if I could do it. Yeah. That's crazy. I wasn't sure that I wanted a Direware until the first time that I handled one, because I didn't trust that the action would be so crisp or the detent would be properly tuned. But it is. So we have a nice thumb stud action here. Forward or reverse flick, right? And then we also have this little opening hole here, which you can use to kick the blade out, or you can use to reverse flick, right? And then you, of course, have the flipper tab. Let's take a look at this blade. This is not a review, by the way. If you don't know, not a review. I don't review stuff that I've never handled as soon as I unbox it. That's stupid. Nobody should do that. Unboxing first impressions first, then 2 to 3 weeks down the road, you get a full comprehensive review. Not because it takes me that long, because I upload a lot of content. There's a lot of stuff waiting in the queue. But yeah, so we have a compound ground blade. Wow, ridiculously thin down here. This is a pretty thick stock. So put it up against the 125 thousandths of the Ritter Hogue. I'm going to guess that's probably 165, maybe 180. But it gets very thin down here. Look how they do this. satin in the, it's not going to be for everybody, but that's cool, right? And we have a much thicker flat ground blade up here, but it's still hollow. Interesting. Yeah, it's still hollow up here. So it's a compound double hollow. It's just very thin right here. Action's real good. Carbon fiber. We have copper accents. Yeah, that's nice. I feel like that maybe I would have preferred that the copper accents be a little more polished, but okay. Like how the backspacer looks. Carbon fiber looks nice, definitely. The carbon fiber looks really nice on this. I love that you can see through the pivot. Look at that massive, massive fastener on the pivot. Very cool. And then, of course, we have a mirror polished edge. Demonstrate for you guys. Because there's always people that not the blade stock's too thick. It ain't gonna slice. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Shut up, people. It ain't gonna. Well, now wait a sec. What I meant to say was we gotta push the wedge into the. All right, sure. If you're cutting a big, thick piece of styrofoam or cardboard, sure, you do have to push the wedge of the blade into, that material, and it creates drag. Okay, great. The problem is that people, they say that, and that's what they mean. They actually think it's not going to slice because there are people who think that just because no matter what the starting geometry is or the ending geometry is, if it is thick, right, that means that the edge is just not capable, right? Even if they find out that you absolutely can do this with a knife like that, you still see it demonstrated like this. That's not right? We slice. So anyways, this is really cool. Sorry, side rant. I do that every now and then. I see that all too often on some channels. It just drives me crazy. Anyways, can't wait to review this. I wish I could link this, but I cannot. Thanks again, Jason, for sending this in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.